Yeah, I know. 2019 Ford Mustang, 4-cylinder turbo. Still got the stock catalytic converter there. Then it's got 2.5 all the way into a 2.5 MAGNAPACK that we just put on. If you want the, you can get it in the link description. Then it's got a wide pipe. Then it's dualed out, and we did a muffler delete on each side. Right there and right there. Into 4-inch black tips. Right there and right there. There's the resonator we took off. It comes a single into dual, and then the 2 mufflers in the back. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2016 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Comes with a factory gigantic cat right there. Then it comes with 2.5-inch pipe. Then we added more 2.5-inch pipe, deleted the resonator. Had an aftermarket system on it. Then 3-inch all the way back, and we added 3-inch muffler delete pipe in their place. Right there. Into his existing tips. Right there, right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Give it gas. Oh, that's sexy. Again. Oh, I love that sound. Back it out straight. Or you want him to back it out, whatever you want. That's how it should stand. Okay. I like it.
Inside the cockpit of this 2016 Mustang. Let you guys hear it. Yes, sir.